family. The bag has dropped. This is another crystal clear edition. What it do though, my family? Yes. How was your day? Your grand your grand rising? It's beautiful, right, my baby? So I'm only kind of speaking low, because family's still sleeping, right? So dig this here. As you are, I'm marinating and meditating, right? So I'm shuffling the cards. We got 3, 4 decks, right? The Most High, your highest self, dropping some jewels down on you, right, my baby? So then, like, when I was shuffling the Spirit Guide deck, this is the card that stuck out. Express yourself, right, my baby? Focus on the positive, right? Be yourself. Maybe we should lay these out too. Appreciate your talents and have an attitude of gratitude. Focus on the positive. I see someone doing what they do best. Everyone has value. Your beliefs are right for you. Then when I got the Most High trying to tell you something, cards, right? Team 1111. Always beautiful. You know what I'm saying? The theme for you, my baby, what I keep hearing is light switch, right? So we're going to use these some sacred destiny, security, you squatted up, you straight, and success, that Black Panther card. I love this card. No wonder I was led to pull these. I was told we had kind of abused some of these decks, but I love these. Kick it old school. That Black Panther. Dig that. Pantera power out here, my baby. At the end of the day, that's all that matters. Yeah. Dig that. Somebody did what they were supposed to do. Someone asking for forgiveness at this time. Fulfillment. That peach, my baby, that peach. So I've been all about the peach, right? Georgia on my mind. I see you've been going with the flow, tapping into your we are, cosmic and galactic family at this time. I see you have a direct connection to the spiritual realm at this time. The only requirements are to protect yourself and send love and light. Let everything you do be out of love. Right, my baby? Go with the flow. I see you do. That's why it's success. You got inner peace, which is all you ever wanted. And I see now someone wants forgiveness. Right, my baby? I see you're very, very wise. 'Cause, 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 'c Very, very wise. Yeah. See, community is a buzz. Huh, my baby? It's a buzz. Yeah, you shed some light. It cleared a few things up. Going with the flow of love, to, with, and for the highest love. Transformation. The change in you is like night and day. It's undeniable. Beautiful. Lotus flower. Bottom. Keep hearing that. Yep. Security is what started it all. Someone tried to come for your security. What makes you comfortable? House sweat. Right, my baby? So, bottom card is enlightenment. Remember, your beliefs aren't right for you. But then, I decided to get these Decameron decks, right? Remember, be yourself. Focus on the positive. Have an attitude of gratitude and appreciate your talents. Bottom of the deck. Well, this is an adult channel. You know what I'm saying? The only way to transmute some of this energy is to it and through it. My baby Ace of Swords, Deuce of Swords. Deuce of Swords, right? Well, see, there's been a lot of talk about you, my baby. Between two people, about two people, huh, my baby? Wow. Tic tac, my baby. What's going on? Let's get it. Definitely. Well, do you want to dive in? You know, I see, this is what I found concerning when I first shuffled this deck. What does this scream to you? Right? Then I had a fragment of a memory come back, right? And I got part of my memory back, right, my baby? And I see I've been well known in some circles for like 27 years, right, my baby? About 27 years, something like that, right? And I see myself in someone that's going to be oh so familiar, partaking of sex innocently because we were young in front of a school. And I see our principal filming it. And I see that various people have been getting paid off of it off the dark web. And then, you know what I'm saying? You kill them. Like, how sway, right? It's definitely a tape of me and someone very familiar floating around the dark web. Somebody, you know, I couldn't be making these stories up. People lie, cars don't. And one day, real soon, this story's gonna come out. The story's gonna come out. Looks kind of pedophilic, doesn't it? Right? So just keep that in mind. I just wanted to show y'all what pops out. But we transmute all energy to with for the highest love of all, unconditional love. And this is a true story. Remember, he just came back. I remember everything. When I say everything, I mean everything. Right. Somebody been getting paid off another's, and especially the emperors. You know, because remember I told you I was young. This is 6 Pentacles, so it had to be 6 years old. Could make it up if I was Stephen King. Lights, camera, action. That's what did it, a light switch, my baby. A light switch triggered that. Right, my baby? And this is the bottom card, I'll pull it back. Right. Oh, come on. Boy, you gave me love so I could see love. I mean, a picture speaks 1,000 words. Y'all are so silly. I mean, if you cut into me like that, I cut into you like that. It is what it is, right? So since we at it, we're going to get the up north energy since you want to know. And I'm going to even shuffle for you. I just wanted to see what the energy is like. This is Decameron. That some may say it's vulgar, but I mean, it is what it is. Yet you crave it every day, you experience it every day, so how could it be vulgar? That's your projection, it's not my projection. It's just, you know what I'm saying? Everybody don't be pressed, you know what I'm saying? Not saying that you pressed, I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. Okay, up north. Oh, wow. Okay. No. This is crazy. Okay. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay, you want to, okay. How is it anatomically possible? It's always possible, my baby. Appreciate your talents. Because everyone else is appreciating theirs. High, low. Oh, that's what word on the playground is. Word on the playground. Tic tac. Tic tac. This was somebody else was doing though. So they say. You know what I'm saying? Naughty, naughty boys. See strip club energy. Ooh, a lot to say. Should we take them off? Ooh. This is one of our wow. This is Dos Oros, right, my baby? This is one of our bad do cards. Danger Will Robinson. Woo. I hear you can't mix the sacred with the profane. You can't mix the sacred with the profane. You can't really mess with anyone unless they're royal, and you see why. Keep it a whole stack, my baby. This is a lot. I'm just going to read them real quick before I say this. Oh, let's get it popping. Okay, let's get it popping, my family. Let's see what's going on. Let's see. I see what it appears like with this masculine energy. It just seems like, for lack of a better word, phallic slinging contest. Who's the best? Who's the longest? Who's the strongest? Oh my God, it's just like crazy. Like, that's definitely a lot of masculine energy. Wow, excuse me. Divine masculine. could be. This is how I feel. This kind of self-explanatory. I see a lot of abuse, emotional abuse, clearly physical. And this is, a walk on by card. Right. I see you got tired of one that was creeping off and you dipped off. You got left wandering, so you wandered off. That's what this looks like to me. 3 cards, you don't even have to go like in depth. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's how I feel. Can I tell a lie? This is what everyone is saying about the Empress and been saying for a long time. Life switch, right? I see a 911 Porsche racing like through the desert. I see like a sidewinder. Sidewinder, huh? With, wow, dig that. Sniper caliber bullets, huh, my baby? Sniper caliber bullets. High and low. That's what the question is. Call bullshit. Have an attitude of gratitude, huh? Karma is out here. She's out here in rare form, my baby. Clearly, you are OG, triple OG. Follow my Facebook page. She haven't even been on there in months. It's kind of maximum. We could probably a couple of followers left. Yeah. I see someone was bored. You weren't letting them use you. You said you wouldn't feed nobody off your plate no more. Somebody was bored, so they stirred up all of this. Funny. For realsy, I see someone cannot stand that phrase. They have never liked that phrase for real, for realsy. I see, you know who? I see the beast came out, huh, my baby? Yes. That sticky nectar is what I heard. Sticky nectar. And that's the truth. I see you told someone up from the giddy up what it was off the dribble. Right? Wow. So this is Cancer video. Wow. See the building. I see you resting and recuperating. See you walking away from these shenanigans. Something about these two people. 7 of Cups. I see someone was a fool. It's the Fool card. You're local. This is someone's favorite form of entertainment with starring you, your own lyrics, I guess. Hmm. Right? Okay. They just keep stressing high and low, and I was told to pick these up. Your beliefs are right for you. It seems to be something concerning wish fulfillment with the peach. Um, something about transforming a relationship, taking it a higher octave. This just seems like someone, wow. Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups. Someone wants to partake of your pleasures. I hear it's splash was the word. I keep hearing. So we keep right here. I see. This was what you don't like. You don't like force and aggression. That's a turn off. And then I noticed that we got that people quality still going on. It's crazy. But it's out here. It's giving me a lot of insight. I can't tell you that. So I see you have fun pastime that you like to partake in. Like for everyone that's not appreciating their talents and having an attitude of gratitude and being themselves, focusing on the positive. The Most High said you straight, your highest self. I see it's a lot of begging for forgiveness at this time. You know what I'm saying? You can't rush nobody else's healing process. I mean, hell, you can't even rush your own. I swear. So let me shuffle these a couple more, pull a couple more. But I see some magnanimous energy, like emperor type energy. Wow. Quattro. See someone peeking in. I see someone have pictures. There's a lot of pictures and videos floating around of family members getting smashed. Family members like in car accidents. There's a lot of murder pictures floating around on the dark web. There's a lot of this is somebody's end goal, is to be in control of you, of your sexual currency, life force, chi, prana, essence, your currency. Somebody tried to really fuck you out of your inheritance, my baby. Bingo, bingo, bingo. Alright, so booklet. At the end of the day, you chill. I see this is a ritual. You be chill. Six of Cups. Right? But you really thought somebody loved you, Ace of Cups. They're ill-equipped to really handle you, my baby. You know what I'm saying? If they're not a royal, you ain't gonna be able to mess with them. At the end of the day, this is what they was doing. Playing with you. Playing with your yoni. Playing with your urethra. This is how yeast infections start. You know what I'm saying? Never let anyone tell you what feels good to you. Only you know what feels good to you. At the end of the day, if cotton don't sell, we know what will. If cotton don't sell, we know what will. This is hermit mode. This is someone still feeling this videos, seeing these videos. So it's more videos out here floating around. But I see someone that doesn't want to be revealed. I see someone is shaking and quaking. Still up to your old tricks. That pedophilic energy. But see, we all running a lot about this law out here, this divine law, and things is changing. I keep telling you, can't make it up. See, we learning something, and I do believe others are too, my baby. Right, playing around, the emperor out here, the emperor. Yeah, high and low energy. Energy on earth and energy up high. See, the divine realm loves you. Right? You tap into your cosmic and galactic family, all unconditionally loving divine beings of light who work for the highest love, unconditional love. And your life reflects that. Yeah. I see someone tried to curse you, throwing shade at you. Somebody tried to definitely blow your mind, spin you like a top. No Vaseline, I heard. Dig that. The things that go on in this world will blow your mind, my baby. World card. Can you stand the rain? Wow. That feel right under the emperor. And the devil card, though. Dig that. I see someone was tricking at your home. They was tossing it up, tricking at your home. I mean, if the energy out here, I'm just gonna put it out here. Six of Swords. I see somebody got real carried away, and I see they will be getting carried away shortly, because this is past, present, and future energy. Who knows, right? These is visions. Yeah. Three of Spades. Somebody tried to have you busted open for twos and fews, my baby. They want to work with you, but how much? Whoops. Looks like they're trying to come up off your shine, my baby. Trying to come up off your shine. Let's see the bottom. Sun card. This is Swazi World. For reality? Get out of here. Chopper. Right. See, you questioning my chastity. I hear a family member questioning my chastity. Or are you questioning someone's intentions? What do I remember? Looks vaguely familiar. Right. Definitely. Definitely looks familiar. I see someone just have a heart attack. This is what it looked like on scene in front of my school when I was 6 years old. Except it was way more around in a circle. That looks familiar. This is the Strength card. And they said better than a grown woman. It's a fluff movie. Ain't nothing changed but the address. Conquer my lower demons. And again, I say you can't mix the sacred with the profane. Either they're royal or they're not. When people try to come at you all like this, all in, moving all fast, and trying to get on and all that, just know they're trying to fuck you from behind, and that the divine realm got their whole hand on this. Please believe. That's why I brought these cards out, my baby. This Ace of Baston. Stallion, my baby. Stallion energy. Wow. That's the Star card. Star card. Two of Swords. Ace of Swords. In a nutshell. Light switch. The plug. Right. Every time I do a break deck, I just keep seeing the same cards. This can be a vehicle, a truck. This is the Prince Kabbalah. Prince of Swords. Right. Off rip. Something happened. You got chastised by someone. It's crazy. Someone's trying to embarrass you about something from the past. Somebody stabbing you in the back. Something you told someone off the rip. There's definitely videos. Yeah, definitely. Spirit is moving you away. Don't have the pie face now. You tried to drag and shame a divine. Told you, laugh now, cry later. You wanted a divine to bow down and kneel to man. You got to be a fool. And anyone that run behind a divine being and do them grimy and backdoor them and dry snitch and make up shit, all of that, you's a fool. Everybody's getting their karma. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely embracing my Portuguese heritage, you know what I'm saying? I've been, my baby. Yes, this is true. Yes, this is true. It's almost as if these decks were made just for me. And this one, what I was told. Still doing it now. They're still doing it because I done rose up and revealed what's going on. Gang stalking energy. But at the end of the day, this me, my baby, the Empress. I mess with spirit. Communicate with spirit. And I heard you have had more fellatio than anybody I know. Out here doing this to Jew women. And this is why I make the big bucks. 4 swords. And that's why all this is occurring, right? And all of this. Let them tell it. But we all know at the end of the day, this is how I feel. You thought it was fun and chuckles then? Take that. I see you used to pop off on them Sundays. I used to go skating, huh? For sure. Your house or mine. But funny was, neither one of y'all owned neither one of them houses. How sway. And for you know who, this is really all you could ever do. Since we're all invasive in the energy, just get it. Straight up. Retarded. This don't answer your question. And remember, no divine being will never, ever lie, or they get instant karma. Some of this stuff, light switch, I'm sure I turned a few people on, a lot on, and I'm sure I turned a lot of people off. But everything in divine timing. Your beliefs are right for you. Worry is a wasted emotion. Stop worrying about what somebody else gonna do. Right. I not only keep it real about myself, but you too. We go to and through our problems. Ace of Swords. The truth, my baby. It's the truth. No lies. Light switch, my baby. I'm teaching you who to fuck with and who not to fuck with out here in this world. The whole time. But all you wanted to do to me and my family was just this. I swear. And you knew my family member would have never fucked with you no way. That's why you came sideways. That's why you like liquor. That's why you like liquor. You're the best of that. And then beating Jew women out their money, gang stalking them, terrorizing them. When in all actuality, we know who the beast is out here. Right. All these secrets, but remember, all them little videos had watchers. How many videos are there? I bet you we could start proving names now. Man, I see. Man, FedEx package is coming. Right. Foolish. Foolish, foolish. You reap what you sow. On that note, Cancer, light switch. Right. Okay, for that family member, this is what they look like. There's a whole bunch of people like that. Eight of Swords. Yeah, still remember my family. This is that creep squad energy. They've been doing that since forever. Since forever. That fofo. Dig that. Your beliefs are right for you. Let's see. Everybody love the sunshine. Roy Ayers. On that note, love and light. Stay flyer. Reach higher. You know, we got to be switching it up. I appreciate y'all. We had to transmute this energy. I see you very wise, shining bright. Wish you everything beautiful. Go with the flow. Stay chill. Inner peace over everything. They ain't printing enough money for that, my baby. At the end of the day, you got the Pantera card, the Black Panther, my baby. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah. Doesn't this look like Portugal in this car? See, we got action. Success. Right. Okay, for that family member. Yeah. Beautiful, rich heritage, my baby. Yeah. Rich heritage. And it said this card. Deep water, something, my baby. And they said, you know this, man. Enlightenment card. Oh, it's so silly. By light switch. I dropped at least 7 gems in this video for y'all. Namaskar. Grand Rising, top of the day. Hi, family.